When it comes to window replacement or new installations, many homeowners might consider taking the do-it-yourself approach to save money. However, hiring professional window installers in Birmingham offers significant advantages that go beyond initial cost savings. From ensuring top-notch installation quality to offering long-term value and efficiency, professional window installers can make a substantial difference in the performance and longevity of your windows. Here's why hiring experts is the right choice for your home. Expertise and experienced professional window installers possess years of experience and in-depth knowledge, allowing them to handle a variety of window types and styles with precision. Unlike DIY enthusiasts, these experts understand the nuances involved in installation, such as the different window designs, materials, and unique characteristics of Birmingham's climate. Their expertise minimizes the likelihood of mistakes, ensuring your windows function optimally. Experienced installers have seen it all, from challenging structural issues to specialty installations. This knowledge equips them to foresee and address potential problems, saving you from costly mistakes or rework down the road. Accurate measurements and proper fit. One of the key aspects of a successful window installation is accurate measurements. A poorly fitted window can lead to drafts, leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Professional installers ensure that every window is measured precisely, resulting in a snug fit. This attention to detail is crucial for minimizing air and moisture infiltration and for maximizing energy efficiency. Birmingham's variable weather, ranging from humid summers to chilly winters, makes proper insulation essential for maintaining comfort indoors. Well-installed windows reduce the burden on your HVAC system, helping to lower energy bills year-round. Quality materials and recommendations. When you hire a professional window installer, you gain access to high-quality materials and expert recommendations tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking for double-pane windows to improve insulation or energy-efficient glass options, an experienced installer can guide you in selecting the right materials that align with your preferences and budget. Additionally, professional installers often have relationships with reputable manufacturers, allowing them to source premium quality products at competitive prices. This access ensures that you're getting durable and long-lasting windows, ultimately delivering better value for your investment. Efficient and safe installation. Window installation can be a complex and potentially hazardous task, especially for individuals unfamiliar with the process. Lifting heavy windows, using specialized tools, and working at heights all present safety risks. Professional installers are trained to follow safety protocols, minimizing the chances of accidents or injuries. Moreover, professional installation is faster and more efficient, reducing disruption to your daily routine. Instead of spending days or even weeks trying to complete a DIY project, you can rely on professionals to finish the job quickly and correctly. Long-term warranty and peace of mind. Many professional window installation companies in Birmingham offer warranties on both their products and labor. This coverage provides you with peace of mind, knowing that you're protected if any issues arise after installation. DIY installations typically lack such guarantees, leaving you solely responsible for repairs or replacements. Professional warranties demonstrate a company's confidence in its work quality and commitment to customer satisfaction. Should a problem occur, you can rely on their support to resolve it promptly, without additional expense. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Installing energy-efficient windows with the help of a professional can significantly reduce your energy consumption and utility bills. Windows play a crucial role in regulating indoor temperatures, and poorly installed units can lead to energy loss. Professional installation ensures a tight seal, minimizing air leakage and helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This enhanced energy efficiency reduces your reliance on heating and cooling systems, leading to substantial long-term cost savings. In Birmingham, where energy costs fluctuate with the seasons, investing in well-installed, energy-efficient windows pays off quickly. Increased home value and curb appeal. New, professionally installed windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal, which is particularly valuable if you plan to sell your property in the future. Potential buyers often view high-quality, energy-efficient windows as a major selling point, making your home more attractive and valuable on the market. By hiring professional window installers in Birmingham, you're investing in both the functionality and aesthetics of your home. This combination of form and function not only makes your home more comfortable but also boosts its overall market value. Conclusion: hiring professional window installers in Birmingham offers numerous benefits that far outweigh the initial costs. From expert installation and energy efficiency to safety and long-term warranties, the advantages of professional service enhance your home's comfort, appeal, and overall value. Trusting the experts ensures that your windows perform at their best for years to come, providing a worthwhile return on your investment.